Canales, and welcome to our YouTube channel, where me, my brothers and sisters show you how our family cooks traditional and non-traditional Filipino foods and dishes. Also, you will see some of the cooking challenges that my viewers give me to create some exciting Filipino dishes like coconut noodles with shrimp and pork. So if you love to cook and love eating Filipino food, then click link or click my picture at the left side of this video to go to my channel and choose which one do you want to watch. In all my videos, I always include the list of ingredients at the end so that you can cook this dish at home yourself. Okay, hope to see your likes and comments in my channel. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye-bye!